Chevy Silverado double cab with a BAKFlip MX4. Nice low profile hard folding cover. This cover is secure when you lock your tailgate. So if you can lower your tailgate, you can access your cargo. Simple pull cable release on either side, and it locks in increments on the bed. We add padded bumpers in between each panel, so that way the panels are protected. And then you can pull the cable underneath each panel and it locks. You can also buckle this cover here and drive with it in place and go highway speed safe. It's a clamp-on installation, so no drilling is required. And then when you want to drive with it highway speed, padded bumpers protect the back window. You can flip it up all the way and then buckle this with the strut on the side. And if you do that on both sides, you can go down the road safely. You can also take this cover off by 2 twist knobs underneath, and the whole cover comes off. And then there's also drain tubes that go out the back. This is a aluminum construction. It has textured black panels, and it's very versatile. This is the newest, best hard folding cover by BAK Industries. It has a premium tailgate seal, so you don't have to shut the tailgate first. Close the cover, shut the tailgate, it doesn't matter which one you do. It allows full access to your stake pocket holes, and it has a very good low profile fit, and it matches this truck bed excellent. Also featured 4-inch oval black steps, textured matte finish, cab length style, 3 custom mounting brackets for each side,